everybody, it's Carla Stevenné. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a different video. So last time I did a makeup don'ts was a while ago, and it was like when I first started my YouTube channel, and it's like not even on my channel anymore. But today I will be doing like a fun to watch, don't take it seriously, makeup tutorial. So these type of makeup tutorials are pretty much where you do your makeup the exact opposite way of how it's supposed to be done, and it's super funny and enjoyable to watch. So I'm going to be telling you guys, do your makeup like this, but don't actually do it like that. But yeah, pretty much it's just going to be a super funny, chill, different video. So alright you guys, so to start this makeup look, we're gonna keep it very simple. We're gonna use the Hydro Blur moisturizer. I'm going to put the primer on my makeup brush directly, not all over my face, just because we don't have time for that. This is some Cover FX Natural Finish Oil-Free Foundation. I don't even know if this is my actual shade. It's brown. I'm brown, it's brown. It gets the job done. So I'm just gonna sit this here while I get my hair on my face. The next steps is to directly put this on. Yeah. So this is a quicker and easier way to get your face done faster. Don't blend too much, just lightly pat and hold. I'm going to work the brush like a beauty blender. I don't have one at the moment, so I'm just like, yeah, YOLO. Let's just make my brush my beauty blender. Make sure you see patches of foundation. You might not be able to see it on camera, but even better. So we want to keep this a simple makeup tutorial. Yeah, I'm just gonna take the excess and put this on my lids as a basic base for my eyeshadow colors. And if you think you're getting darker, use the darker foundation. As you guys can tell, I did use a slightly darker because it's not about it blending in with your neck or your skin here. My arm, to me, is how my foundation should match it. And if my arm is darker, I'm going to match it to that and not actually my face. As you can tell, it doesn't match. So I'm gonna just throw a little hint. I'm not being serious. So I'm just letting you guys know, this makeup tutorial is a joke, but I'm having fun with it and pretending it's serious, but it's all sarcastic. And yeah, let's continue this makeup look. All right. So if you don't have eyeshadow primer, kind of like moi, I would replace it with the lip color, because you can use your lip color as a blusher, as an eyeshadow, and as a lip color. This is something from Ofra. So pretty much how I'm going to do this is, I don't even feel like dealing with brushes. This is one of those quick and easy makeup tutorials. I'm putting the lipstick onto the eyelid. Now, wait for it. Blend it perfect on the eyelid. Take your finger, your dab finger, dab it and blend it up. And voila. You have a whole eyeshadow without even applying a base, without even having to worry about spending extra money on extra products. Bada bang, bada boom. So honestly, yes, I got it. We're gonna take this brush for our crease. A small, precise crease brush, because you don't want to waste product. Okay, we already have to use our lipstick as our eyeshadow, as our blush. We don't need to waste product. And I'm also gonna use this wider and thicker for our brows too. So we might as well just use the eyeliner as a multiple product too. I get inspired by, you know, thicker, full brows. I like a more aggressive brow in the front. So we're gonna take that same brush, take the darker color. Now be very precise. And fade it. Fade it into the other brow color. Perfect. Fade it. Remember, brush and fade, and add a little bit to the end of the brow. But don't add any extra color. This is just perfect, just like this. And I like to really build a nose. People talk about contour. It doesn't get the job done. So exactly where the light hits. You guys see that? I like to contour right there with the same brush for exact precision. But just use the light brown color because you don't want it to be too intense because that would be a little bit lulu. Okay. When they purposely gave us these techniques for a reason. Now the key to make this natural is to be sure to blend it down. So next step is, what I like to do is take that foundation brush. I like to add a little bit more of the foundation on top of the contour to intensify the naturalness. A very precise nose contour here. You see it? Like I said, it's like a nose job, but it's not even one. People want to be like, girl, what you do? Get a nose job? And you be like, girl, what nose job? You know what I'm saying? Best part about adding lipstick as the eyeshadow base is it gives it a very sticky finish. You don't have to worry about all that extra. Make it last. This is a make it last setting spray. It really works. It really makes it last. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this on, but don't think that we're done. I like to spray it periodically. Now, if there's little dots that formulate, I think that that is just the naturalness, which will help make it last. Contour, make the cheeks that you want to have. Okay? That's why this exists. Thank you. And also, blend it up. Add little smooth strokes. This really will give an illusion of real cheekbone. Blend it up, add lines, because it really pulls the cheek up. At this point, no one can say anything to you. You're the one saving money. You're the one with the perfect contour, the perfect brows, the perfect everything. So come on now. What they gonna say? We're going to take this brush, this blush brush. OMG, this blush and this brush. And what we're gonna do is take it and just do, again, the same kind of motion. Add a nice amount so you look happy and awake for school. Duh. You probably got no sleep before. Alright, we're going to keep it really simple at the end of this look. I don't want to do too much entirely. Again, like I said, we're just doubling up our eyeshadow as... Oh, I said we're going to double it up as a blush. Whoops, forgot. So, we already put blush on, but it does not affect this process. So, how I like to do it is I don't like to have to use my finger after I'm applying this as a blush. It's too much. It's too much. Add a nice stroking motion. I like to have a more plump lip, and lip gloss does add to the shine. I like to outline a little bit bigger over my lips, and also this helps if you don't have a lip liner with your lip gloss. Literally just go a little bit over your lips, people. For a little bit more of a plumper lip. And people always try to tell me your lips are already plump, blah, 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 blah. I do not care. Okay? I do not care. This is how I do my makeup. People are just haters to me. Because they can't do it like this. That's why I did this makeup tutorial. Now if you see, my lips are plumper. When I do a duck face in pictures, now people will realize I'm doing that. So when I do the duck face, my lips are the actual same size as they would be without the duck face. Look. So to highlight, I use lip gloss on the tip of my nose. And that is my makeup tutorial. Oh, one more step. Let's set our face. I'll set my lips too. Okay, take a deep breath. Voila, perfect. Show you guys a quick close-up. And now nobody can tell you nothing. They can't tell you nothing. They can't tell you nothing. Oh, just kidding. Haha, yes they can. So you said to put on them eyelashes. You gotta put on the eyelashes, but I'ma just put on magnetic lashes. Magnetic. Where did I put them? Oh no, never mind. All right, forget mascara today. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed my makeup don'ts. As you guys can tell, this is exactly how you do not do your makeup. If you guys would like to see how I really do my makeup, click the link down below. This is really just a funny comedy video. Like, clearly, I would hope no one is actually doing this unless you are a clown or you're doing the makeup don'ts. Okay, but there are things that you can take and learn from this. This is just like an over-exaggerated way to not do your makeup. For instance, do not overdo your brows. Do not make them super square. Do not blend your shadow, okay? Don't overdraw your lips too much. Don't make overly intense blush, or don't have overly intense highlighter. It's kind of like metaphorically saying how to not do your makeup, okay? Because clearly you're not going to put lip gloss on, but you see how intense lip gloss makes the highlight? Still, don't put on too much highlighter, you know? So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this fun, just silly video today. I will have more back to school videos coming. I just feel like trash. Follow me on social media to see what I really look like. My makeup's actually done. This is not it, okay? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun videos. Let me know in the comments what other back to school videos you would like to see. I'm really trying not to move too much because I really didn't think about when you put gloss on, you do not want your hair to stick to gloss, and it's right on my cheeks. So yeah, you guys. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed, and I will catch you guys. I'm like so stiff right now. I want to take this makeup off so bad. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video tomorrow. All right, bye guys.
Sativa so strong, I'm not blinking. What in the world was I thinking? New day, new money to be made. New things for them to imitate. Black Barbie, pretty face.